So here in this verse, Janma Guhyam Bhagavato, the Lord is described as a mystery. The Lord is also a mystery. Kunti Maharani says कि नमस्ते पुरुषम त्वाद्यम ईश्वर प्रकृते परम अलक्षम सर्वभूतानाम अंतर्बहिरवस्थितम. She is saying that, my dear Lord, you are existing outside everywhere and you are there inside also. But still people cannot see you. A virus bhi waise hi, outside everywhere is there, inside is also there, but still we can't see it because it's too minute to actually see and observe. It is beyond our capacity of eyes to see it. It is beyond our capacity of eyes to see it. So here Kunti Maharani is saying that Lord is alaksha. Lord cannot be seen. Why? Because Maya Javanika Channam Agya Dokshaja Vyayam. Because Lord is an Adhokshaja. See, His Aksha means the senses, particularly eyes, but that also refers to the other senses. Akshaja means the knowledge which can be captured and understood through the senses. Other Akshaja means Lord is beyond this knowledge. So the senses, our senses have certain capacity. Eyes can see. When it is too close, you cannot observe. When it is too far, you cannot observe. That is a limitation. Eyes has a limitation, right? 7 colors we can observe. If there is something else, we may not able to identify it. Eyes have a limitations on its capacity. Ears have limitations. 20 hertz, lower than 20 hertz, we cannot distinguish. Ultrasonic, that also we cannot distinguish. 20 kilohertz up, that also we cannot understand. Right? Our ears has limitation. Similarly, the nose has limitation. How much different fragrances we can distinguish. There is a limit to it. We can understand. Right? Tongue has limitation. So practically all the senses are limitations. So therefore, anything which goes beyond the capacity of our senses is actually mystery. It is actually mystery. Like this virus, somebody may even use the microscope and few people can actually find out the shape and all. They see like our kadamba flower. They give the shape like kadamba flower. So somebody may be able to see it with the extended senses in the form of microscope and all. But eventually, we need to receive the knowledge through our senses. So the senses are imperfect. Senses has limitations. So the knowledge which is derived by the senses, which is beyond the capacity of senses, is always a mystery. So Lord is beyond the capacity of the senses. Adhokshaja. One cannot. It's not within the range of your eyes. It is not within the range of your ears. It is not in the range of your any of the senses. So therefore, it always remains a mystery. Cannot be understood. Adhokshaja. Another meaning of adhokshaja is a and ksha. The any word which is used. A is the first letter of the alphabet and sh is the last letter of the alphabet. Any letter in between cannot describe the Lord. Therefore, is adhokshaja. So, they means cannot be explained. If the Lord cannot be explained, then it remains the mystery.